Hey guys, Maddie Frost here. I'm so excited to share my new drawing activity book with you. It is called Let's Draw Fun Animals in 7 Simple Steps. And so I thought it would be fun if I picked out 3 animals from the book and we draw them together step by step. So I've picked out a baby platypus, a guinea pig pal, and a cool leopard. So grab some paper and something to draw with and meet me right back here and let's get drawing some animals. Yay! I'm so excited. All right, friends, the first animal is going to be a baby platypus. So I've got my sketchbook out and let's get started. So I'm going to draw a oval shape. Do your best. And then I'm going to put some eyes in. So we're going to draw this baby platypus in just 7 steps. So be prepared to be amazed. Eyes. Oh, so cute. And the next step is a beak. So because this platypus is facing forward, the beak's going to be almost a diamond shape. So, okay. And then we're going to put a line across. So we have a top beak and a bottom beak and some little nostrils. The next step is that this baby platypus is going to be wearing a diaper. So there's the line there, and we can put little tape marks. And then we need some tiny little feet. Oh, it's so cute. And tiny little platypus arms. And there's only one more step. So it is a hat. No, just kidding. But you could put a hat on if you wanted. It's the tail. So I like to call it a waffle tail because it looks like a waffle. And I'm hungry. So that shape there, and then we can do 2 lines like this and 2 lines like that. And that is the baby platypus in the Let's Draw Fun Animals in 7 Simple Steps book. Awesome. The next critter I've chosen is called Guinea Pig Pal. So I'm gonna start with an oval shape like this. And then I'm going to add another shape on top, like a gumdrop shape. This is actually going to be the guinea pig's head. Next, we can put in some eyes. And then we can put in some cute tiny ears. And the start of a nose, which is just the letter V. Cute already. Let's finish the mouth we're gonna go down like this, and then we're going to do a letter, sort of almost like a half a letter U there, and like this. Ah, so cute. Next, we want to put in some teeth. And then the body is going to go this way. So you could make him a really fat guinea pig, or sort of just pretty normal like that. Awesome. And the last, we need to add some cute little fur lines like this. Yep. And some cute little feet. Back feet like that. And then the front feet, I'm going to do them like this. Oh my goodness. So cute. And that one is Guinea Pig Pal. Great job, you guys. All right, I have one more to share. It's a cool leopard. So I'm going to start with a rectangle shape here. And it's done. Just kidding. Next is some ears. Leopards are cool. They don't even have to do anything. They're just so cool. The third step is going to be some eyes. Like that. Next is going to be the nose part. So start with a square. And then draw an upside down triangle coming from the two top corners. It almost looks like a letter that you would mail. And then you can color the actual nose part. This is more of his mouth. You can shade that in. And then like we did with the guinea pig, it's gonna kind of come down like that and like that. Because he's smiling. The next thing I want to do is start putting in some legs and feet. So I'm going to do a long number 11 here and a long number 11 here. Okay? Stay with me. And then some feet. So he's sitting, but his little legs are sort of more towards the back of him. So here are some feet. This one's kind of, do your best. Okay. And then we need some paws. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cute. You could even add some little like toe marks there. And then a tail. So the tail will be, it's coming from behind there. So like that. Looks great. And next we need to give this leopard some spots. So I'm gonna also color his ears. I think that looks cool. And next we make little marks. So they're not gonna be polka dots because that's more of a cheetah, right? Leopards have kind of abstract speckles and spots on them. So wherever you want, you can even add some on the paws and the legs. Sort of whatever marks you want to make. I want to with the tail. I could just be here all day adding spots. How do you know when to stop? I don't know. I don't have the answer. Okay, I think that's good. And that is your cool leopard. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out and drawing with me. I hope you had fun, and I hope you check out the book. Bye!